Texas is well known for flash floods and its high number of low water crossings. Most drownings occur at these low water crossings. TxDOT funded a team of researchers to make these locations safer by investigating all aspects of the problem. Why are they occurring? What are federal and other state DOTs doing to address the issue? The researchers also developed both low-tech and high-tech solutions addressing human behavior issues, underwater striping visibility, and sensor communications in the age of connected infrastructure.
So TxDOT decided to fund this project with the main objective in mind to develop and to investigate low-cost means to better alert the traffic of the low-water crossing.
I think that drivers underestimate the power of water. It only takes about 6 inches of water to sweep a car off the road at a certain velocity, just 6 inches. It takes 1 foot of water to float most cars. We do have measures in place, such as our Turnaround, Don't Drown public outreach and education program. We have some standard signs that we use at our crossings, but we need to do more to try to influence the behavior of drivers at crossings. And so this is what this research was about, conveying in real time to the driver information that can be used to make informed decisions.
We looked at various striping treatments to improve the delineation through the crossing, both centerline stripings and edge line stripings, with the idea of trying to convey through the stripings when the crossing is traversable and when it's not traversable. So if a driver could no longer see the markings in the crossing, then they would realize that the crossing is flooded and they wouldn't enter into that area.
Also, this project looked at passive and active warning systems like signs, for example, or water sensors that are used to determine even the depth of the water.
The second option that was researched looked at more of a flood warning system that involves a flood sensor. So the idea here is that the sensor records the depth of water, and after the water reaches a certain threshold, the sensor can trigger an active warning device, such as a gate or a flashing beacon.
We also looked at applying advanced technologies to provide warnings to drivers directly inside their vehicles. Using sensors, we could detect when the crossing was flooded and provide them with a message that the crossing was flooded, both at the crossing area itself and away from the crossing, so that they could divert around and not even get close or enter into the flooded area overall.
The technology that's being utilized in these scenarios is a broadcast technology. The radios that are installed at the intersections are broadcasting an alert to any vehicle that's nearby, and because this capability is integrated with the Lone Star Traffic Management Center software, it allows the TMC to know that there's potentially a vehicle that has approached and even tried to cross a low water crossing.
Our researchers have completed some recommendations that were given to TxDOT in terms of signage and also pavement markings and markers that can be used at these locations. Also, these projects clearly indicate that there is a great potential for use of these connectivity technologies.
Sometimes the signs alongside of the road maybe aren't enough, and sometimes that digital second reminder that this really is a big issue, and I think that starts to make an improvement.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.